competition results. I request our judges for the placard competition, Gayatri Subramaniam and Saraswati Natarajan, to come on to the stage. Request our judges, Saraswati Natarajan.
Very good afternoon to all. How are you feeling, children? Had your lunch? Full of energy? Yeah. The placard competition was so beautiful in the sense everybody has the patience to they put on effort and they displayed also so well. With so much patience, they showed us whatever they had created. So it was wonderful to judge each one, and it was precious. Everyone's performance was so great. We wanted to give them all full marks, but since we have to rate them, that was the worst job I did of judging the children. So children, please keep up the good work and effort that you have done, and you have come here and learned what is harmony and thought about it, and wonderful. Thank you. Carry the message all over. Spread it. Can we do it all? Thank you.
One of the most beautiful things about the placard thing was there were a lot of group presentations. And when you see who are the people who are part of the group, you really understood they're really diverse people. But they felt a common purpose to come together and create something so beautiful and profound. I think that's the best prize of the whole thing, that you guys got together, you could find a common meaning and do something so beautiful and so profound. Next time onwards, I think you should listen less to your teachers. For one simple reason, this is your voice, your expression. Do whatever you want to do, because your teachers have anyway invested everything in you. Your parents have invested. So you don't need them to help while creating placards. You can have them mentoring all through the year. And when you have this opportunity, tell what you want to tell, because we want to hear your voice, and whatever you say is beautiful. Yeah?
Thank you, Gayatri, and thank you, Saraswati. Please stay on stage. Now we will announce Group 1, 3rd to 5th standard. We have two results here. The second place goes to Dimple from Abhignya International Public School. Give Dimple a big hand. Wonderful placard she's created. See, as we go into the results, we would like, as we announce the names, please bring your placard with you. Please, the winners, please bring the placard with you when you come on stage. Group 1, the first place goes to a group from Lawrence High School, HSR Layout. Ila Ganesh, Ruddhi Ravishankar and Ishanya Ganesh. Along with the cute placard, we see two very cute twins. Thank you. Next, we'll go to Group 2, 6 to 8 standard results in placard competition. We have 3 consolation places here. The first consolation place goes to Lawrence High School. Sahana, Dharani, and Adonia. Please come on stage. For them, Koramangala branch.
ನಿಮಗಿದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ದೇಶವ ಕಾಯುವ ಯೋಧರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮೆದೆಯಾಳದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಅನ್ನವ ನೀಡುತ್ತ ಸಲಹಿರುವ ನೇಗಿಲ ಯೋಗಿಗೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ 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 ಕಣ್ಣನು ನೀಡುವ ಅಣ್ಣನಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮಯ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ದೇಶವಾಡಿದ ನಾಯಕರೇ
To Prarthana Central School, Kyathi. From Prarthana Central School, please come forward.
ಚಪ್ಪದ ಸಾಧಕರೇ ನಿಮಗಿದ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿಯ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ ತೆರೆಯ ತಾರೆಗಳೇ ನಿಮಗಭಿಮಾನದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ನಾಡಿಗೆ ಅಣ್ಣನೇ ಆಗಿರುವ ರಾಜಣ್ಣನಿಗೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ 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 ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ
The first consolation place goes to Sri Vinayaka Vidyalaya, Bhumika, Chandana, Sinchana, and Diya.
ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಅಣ್ಣಾಳೆ ಕಣ್ಣನು ನೀಡುವ ಅಣ್ಣನಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮಯ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ದೇಶವಾಡಿದ ನಾಯಕರೇ ನಿಮಗಿದ ಗೌರವ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ನಾದದ ಸುಮೆಯನ್ನು ಹರಿಸಿರುವ ನಾಯಕರೇ ಇದು ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಶೌರ್ಯವ ಮೆರೆದಿರುವ ವೀರ ವನಿತೆಯರ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ 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 ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ
Then we come to the third place winner. Once again from Lawrence High School, Payal, Huraya, and Mamta. Please come on stage. Lawrence High School, Koramangala.
ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ನೀಡುತ್ತ ಸಲಹಿರುವ ನೇಗಿಲ ಯೋಗಿಗೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ 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 ನಮ್ಮಯ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ದೇಶವಾಡಿದ ನಾಯಕರೇ ನಿಮಗಿದ ಗೌರವ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ನಾದದ ಸುಮೆಯನ್ನು ಹರಿಸಿರುವ ನಾಯಕರೇ ಇದು ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಶೌರ್ಯವ ಮೆರೆದಿರುವ ವೀರ ವನಿತೆಯರ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ
We come to,
ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ
it's from B&M Public School. Dhwani, Varsidhi, and Aditi. Please come on stage.
ನಿಮಗಭಿಮಾನದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ನಾಡಿಗೆ
Congratulations to the B&M team.
ರಾಜಣ್ಣನಿಗೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ 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 ನೆದೆಯಾಳದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಅನ್ನವ ನೀಡುತ್ತ ಸಲಹಿರುವ
Let's put our hands together for these children.
ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ 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 ಕಣ್ಣನು ನೀಡುವ ಅಣ್ಣನಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮಯ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ದೇಶವಾಡಿದ ನಾಯಕರೇ ನಿಮಗಿದ ಗೌರವ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ನಾದದ ಸುಮೆಯನ್ನು ಹರಿಸಿರುವ
Congratulations, madam.
ನಾಯಕರೇ
Congratulations. First place goes to Sheshadripuram High School, Sri Lakshmi.
ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ಲೋಕದ ಸಾಧಕರೇ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ 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 ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ
Congratulations, ma'am.